Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Explorer. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated steering wheel, keyless entry, rear AC, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, steering wheel audio controls. Come take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.